and thanks for checking out Word. Now, Word is an SDK that I built because I had a common problem that I was experiencing in all of my different apps that I create. I've created a lot of different web apps and mobile applications, and a common problem I have that I commonly face is communicating to my user base, which is, of course, very important if you're developing any sort of product. You want to get as much feedback as you can from your users. Now, I'm looking for a product similar to sort of like Intercom that works for React Native, Expo, and web. And really, I couldn't find any good free options out there that were simple to get set up and didn't bog you down with a ton of enterprise contracts. So I decided to create my own. Now you can check this out here at word.io and see the landing page for the app. You can also see a demo of the app in action here. So you can see in the bottom right, we actually have the Word widget here that allows us to open up the widget. And here we can see quick announcements that we can present to our users, as well as a direct messaging interface. So as a customer or user of my product, I can say any message that I want to send to the product owner. And you can see here that they get notified we sent the message. And now here in the dashboard, my Word dashboard that I've logged into, I can see that very same message in real time here. I can even go ahead and respond back to my user. And the user is notified immediately inside of their chat message. So this is excellent. It gives us a real-time messaging interface with our users. Now we also have the ability to let users here suggest features directly in the app, as well as voting on them, which translates into this nice roadmap here where we can see and move items on the roadmap. Finally, we can see a changelog here where we can let our users know about new releases in the application, and this can be fully configured. So we can configure this widget fully inside of the backend without having to re-release the application, which makes it very useful. And lastly, we have a React Native SDK as well that works just the same way. Now, it's so simple to get up and running with Word. We have our docs here that shows you how to get up and running with simply installing the SDK and a simple one-line component to actually integrate this into your application. Whether you're using React, React Native, or Expo, check out Word if you're trying to implement a simple messaging solution and feedback to your product. Thanks for checking it out.